Hi everyone, I'm Casey Boone. I'm the owner and creator of Glow Skincare. I'm also a licensed esthetician for the past 14 years. I've created Glow Skincare cold rollers, glow towels, along with a lot of other fun skincare accessories. Okay, so I wanted to show you guys my glow towels. These towels were created specifically for estheticians in mind. For so many years, I was using towels that were too rough, they were staining, they were ripping, and I was also looking for something that could cover the face, neck, and décolleté. So that's where glow towels came in. Here they are. As you can see, this can cover the face, neck, and décolleté with one easy to use towel. These towels are so soft. They are made with the softest microfiber you have ever felt. And again, like I said, these easily cover the face, neck, and décolleté. They wrap around your client's face so the client can breathe easily. You can pack these in a small or large towel warmer. They don't take up a lot of space. They're gonna feel amazing on your client's skin. They're easy to use, they're easy to wash, and the best thing is these are also available on subscription. So you can order these and have them delivered straight to your door every single month so you don't run out of towels. For more information like this, tip, tricks, in and out of the treatment room, all your skincare needs, follow me on Instagram at glowskincarela and check out my website, glowskincarela.com.